pretty bad. There's the power on and off. What is that noise? Okay, somebody just screamed. Mother Nature is not happy, dude. Power's gone off and on twice. It's sideways raining. Here, I went by so I can get a better shot of. That's fine. My time. You do me a favor and just get on your phone, make sure there's no tornado warnings or anything for here. Holy cow, you can barely see Vegas. Okay. I've never seen such a crazy situation. Oh, they're being silly. Right above us. Crazy, crazy weather. Totally different than Colorado for sure. Palm trees are like real big. Sorry, the cinematography is all shaky. That was right there. It was right there. Get out of the pool, people. It was almost like it hit the other pool. Look at her. She's walking out there all quiet and soft and slow. Get in. Nothing's going on. Okay. Oh, it's a guy. Sideways rain, total tropical, crazy storm. It's okay. All the water? Probably. Crazy. Look at that. Look at that. I bet you as fast as it comes in, it'll go out. What is that guy standing out there for? I don't know. Yep. Power's out everywhere. Now it's going the other direction. All I know is if it goes back this way, we're going to have to run in the house, guys. Right now we're nice and sheltered. Can you imagine if you're in a plane right now? I can't imagine McCarran's letting anything land in this. Nope, strip's all gone. Can't see I could barely see the outline of the Encore in the wind. Barely see the light.
Didn't even see the tram track.
And the tram's down the street. Well, we might get it on video. Look at that guy. Like, what is he doing? Like, I can understand the young, not so bright 20-something. We've all been there. But I can't understand what Steve's doing. Look at you see down this side right there. A little bit of leaking. Yeah, this is what flash flooding's all about. See how this guy, oh, they're just parking. They're not going to go through that. Okay, well the wind's gone, but the rain is still being crazy. Look at that. I wish I could zoom in and see that. Okay, so they're going to let me just start recording. So this is Las Vegas, Nevada. Some crazy storm on the 19th of July, 2013. Thought I would record it just for memory's sake. There is a huge flood going on over there, Kenneth. We might want to go back around. I want to go around to the bedroom balcony here in a second. Look out. See what kind of flood's going on. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000.